If you own a pool, then you already know one annoying truth. No matter how clean your water looks, somehow leaves, bugs, pollen, pet hair, and random debris always find a way to cover the surface. But here's the good news. Pool technology has gotten ridiculously good lately, and now there are solar-powered robotic pool skimmers that literally float around all day cleaning the surface for you. And after looking at some of the most talked about models right now, I found 3 that are seriously worth paying attention to. Let's start with the first one. First up is the Betta SE Plus. And honestly, this one feels like the robot designed for people who just want something simple that works every single day without babysitting it. The whole idea behind the Betta is pretty genius. You drop it in the water and basically forget about it. It runs entirely on solar power while floating on the surface, constantly collecting debris before anything has a chance to sink down to the bottom. And what immediately makes this one stand out is how ridiculously efficient the battery system is. It can keep running for over 30 hours continuously, which means even when the sun disappears for a while, this thing just keeps going. That's huge, because a lot of solar products sound great on paper, until a few cloudy days hit and suddenly they're useless. But Betta added backup charging, so if needed, you can plug it in and get a full charge in about 3.5 hours. That extra flexibility actually makes a big difference. What I also like here is the design feels incredibly low maintenance. It has twin salt chlorine tolerant motors, which is great if you have a saltwater pool, and the debris basket catches everything from leaves to dust, pollen, bugs, even pet hair floating around. Now, one thing I noticed, it doesn't really follow a smart cleaning pattern. It kind of moves wherever it wants around the pool. But weirdly enough, it still manages to clean extremely well. So while it may not look super intelligent while moving around, the results speak for themselves. Honestly, if reliability is your #1 priority, Betta is hard to beat. Now moving on to number 2, and this one is definitely the smartest one of the bunch. This is the AIPER EcoSurfer S2. And right away, this one feels very different because AIPER clearly focused heavily on smart features. This thing comes loaded with app control, and not the kind where the app is just there for marketing. You can start it remotely, stop it remotely, create cleaning schedules, manually steer it, check cleaning history, and even get notifications if it gets blocked somewhere. That level of control is genuinely impressive. And just like the Betta, it runs on solar power all day and can keep going continuously if it gets enough sunlight. If not, one charge can push close to 35 hours of runtime, which is honestly excellent. It also has a finer filtration system than Betta, which helps with smaller particles floating on the water. Now here's where things get interesting. I really wanted to love this one more because, feature-wise, it looks fantastic. But performance-wise, there are some trade-offs. For some reason, the actual debris collection power feels weaker than expected. Larger leaves sometimes get pushed around instead of getting sucked in cleanly. And compared to some competing models, it just feels a little underpowered. Another thing that feels questionable is AIPER added a built-in chlorine tablet holder. At first, that sounds cool until you realize chlorine tablets are highly acidic. And over time, having acidic water constantly around sensitive internal electronics doesn't exactly sound like the best long-term idea. So while I absolutely love the app features here, I do think real-world cleaning performance leaves a little room for improvement. Still a solid option, just not my first pick. Now the last one, and this one definitely feels premium, the Beatbot iSkim. And if you've been following pool robots recently, Beatbot has been making some serious noise. What immediately jumps out here is the giant debris basket, 9 liters. That is massive. Compared to many other skimmers, this thing can go much longer without needing constant emptying. So if your pool deals with lots of leaves, tree debris, or heavy daily buildup, this instantly becomes a huge advantage. It also uses a pretty serious battery setup with a 10,000 milliamp battery combined with a 24-watt solar panel. That means it can keep running for up to 28 hours even without sunlight. Pretty impressive. I also really like the smart parking feature. Once it finishes cleaning, it automatically moves toward the pool edge, so retrieving it feels effortless. No fishing around trying to grab it. Little details like that make the experience feel premium. And unlike basic skimmers, this one has app control too. You can manually drive it around the pool if there's debris in a specific area, which is actually pretty fun. Now, my only complaint here, the charging adapter doesn't come included, which honestly feels a little frustrating considering the price. And unlike the more expensive Ultra version, this one doesn't seem to follow a very organized cleaning path. It kind of wanders around similar to the Betta. But overall, the cleaning performance itself is excellent. So after looking at all three, here's how I see it. If you want pure reliability and something you can throw in the pool and completely forget about Betta SE Plus is probably the easiest recommendation. If smart app features and remote controls matter most to you, AIPER definitely gives you the most tech features. But if you want something premium, larger capacity, stronger overall build quality, and less frequent maintenance, Beatbot iSkim is incredibly hard to ignore. The truth is, all three are making manual pool cleaning feel more outdated every single year. And once you start using a robotic skimmer that works all day on solar power, you honestly won't want to go back. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your pool setup, any one of these three could completely change how you maintain your pool. And honestly, after trying technology like this, you probably won't need anything else. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit subscribe, because there is a lot more crazy pool tech coming very soon.